As you can see, so this part right here, it slits up. It shows also the battery percentage. Very clever. And this one's a little bit bigger, and you can see a USB-A, two USB-Cs, and we have a flashlight, I guess, on this one. So let's quickly connect to the USB-C and check the same thing. All the advertising numbers is hit it, even that 48% battery life. We have a bunch of products, and let's unbox and take a look one by one. INU send us a bunch of their products. Each the battery pack, it's going to be multiple colors and multiple scenario. So I'm going to unbox one by one and take a look, and of course I'm going to test with the load, and I'm going to tell it is giving all advertising high power or not. The P45 version, most slim and lightweight version, and very clever, the wire version, very clever design. You can order multiple other version, 45 watt. As you can see, so this part right here, it slits up. It shows also the battery percentage. Very clever. This part, I'm testing this, and I'm gonna say just, you know, it's putting up whatever advertise the power. So as you can see, the power output 45 watts. Backside, it's gonna be like a wireless charging. It's gonna be also around 15 watts, like an industrial, and the super lightweight. Reason why I'm gonna use this kind of power banks, even the small lightweight, in the front pocket, and I can use for the motorcycle when I'm riding, for the smaller cameras like my action cameras or Insta360 cameras. I can charge twice from the power unit, right? The next unit, it's going to be P41 10,000 milliamp battery. So opening, it's going to be like Apple devices, very good quality product, and as you can see, it comes with the instruction manual and also a very clever power cable. Put it here, and this one's a little bit bigger, and you can see a USB-A, two USB-Cs, and we have a flashlight, I guess, on this one. And the power indicator, it's very nice and clever, like all the other devices they use. As you can see, this lights right here, it slits up here, and the press and hold usually supposed to be the flashlight. You see, I have a flashlight and a charger. This battery is anti-scratch battery, but as you can see, my the hands are a little bit oily. So 10,000 milliamp, a little bit bigger than the battery with the wireless built-in fast charge power bank. So this one is going to be also, it's around 45 watts PD fast charge with the two USB in and out. USB 2, it's going to be the both is in and out, and the USB 8 it's going to be out. So let's quickly run our test with the USB-C, and we're going to power off the battery. So as you can see, the battery output, it's very, the 5.10 is whatever advertised, and we're gonna do the test, the load test with the both side. As you can see, two connectors, it's on, and it goes to 3.30 amps. It's really good. So yeah, this one's gonna get very hot, very fast, but this is the advertising. The output, it's there, 45 watts. Advertised 44 to 46 watts out. So with the USB-C, let me check with the USB-C real quick if it's giving 9 volts, 9.3 and 5.4. Yeah, it's going down. So as you can see, great product for the price. They put up all the advertising output nice and clear, and as you can see, only the power bank. Usually when you buy the power banks, they 30 days warranty, 60 days warranty, or 90 days warranty, but these guys offering 3 years warranty. Like, it's a I don't know, I never test a power bank like this with a 3 years warranty. All my other power banks, it's going to be less than year or around the year warranty. So great product for the price. The second product, 10,000 milliamp battery, surprisingly very high power output for the small device. One USB-A output, two USB in and out USB-Cs. So it is what it is, it's going there. I'm gonna turn off this because this part gets very, very hot because it's a load test. So let's quickly connect to the USB-C and check the same thing. USB-C up to 65 watts. So all the advertising numbers is hit it, even that 48% battery life. and they're very good. They carry any pockets you can carry. This one's a little bit thicker, but it's smaller. Enough juice for the day, right? Great product from the INU company. The next product, this one's gonna be 65 watt, 20,000 milliamp battery. Instruction manual, how to use it, how to connect, all the stuff we're not gonna read today. The same design, but it's beefier and twice bigger. The product's fit and quality is really good. USB 36 watt USB-C and 65 watts USB-C in and out. Let's start the load test. You can choose multiple colors on this the power banks. This is P65 version giant 20,000 milliamp power bank, enough to even charge your laptops. Most powerful power bank I have on my desk today. I'm gonna show you one by one every single power bank I have from INU company, right? This one, P65, biggest, largest power bank I have. USB-C holder. Also, there's a keychain, 2 USB-C out and USB-A out. Delivers exactly the power they advertise. 5 lights, 20% battery, the increments. 2 USB-C outputs. So with the 10,000 milliamp battery, you can charge twice your 500 milliamp battery powers like a Google Pixel or a mini smaller iPhone, not the Pro, so the smaller iPhone, you can charge twice. And the power outputs also, it's going to be 45 watts and the 27 watts, 9 to 3, 9 volts and 3 amps. So it's all the specs here. I test with this the tester, and it's hitting all the specs what they writing on the back. So now the last one. This one, as you can see, super thin. Still, you have USB-C in and out here, the power button here, nice display, like some kind of door fit, right? And also it's like a 20% each, so you have a 4 lights, right? And this one comes with the stand, because when you're charging your phone on the back, this one is the magnetic and wireless charging. So when you're charging your phone on the back, you can use as a stand. Yeah, if you have a phone, you can just charge it in the phone stand. Very clever design. All of them, it's going to be same dongle, the USB-C output, and the maximum output is going to be 3,000 milliamps, so you can charge multiple times. The multiple devices, headphones, all that stuff. A super thin, slim, a way to go. So you're gonna put in your pocket or in your purse. You're never gonna feel the difference. If you need the big boy, it's gonna be the offering P65 version. And as you can see, this is a lineup of all the power bank I have from INU. They send it to me to test, review these products, and actually I test them with the one by one with the tester, and I'm surprised with the output performance. Also, only the company I have on my desk I ever tested 3 years power bank warranty, because they stand behind the product. So they saying they're using only the quality products in the market. So yeah, hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.